guys, welcome to my home office tour. So please come in and let's check it out. Okay, so when you come into my place, there is this room here, which is the den that I made my home office. So stepping in here, you can see my computer setup right away. So this is where the magic happens. This is my gaming and editing workstation. So this is my desk here. It's from Fazebo and it's a standing desk. I can show you right now. Okay, so here's my standing desk. This is really cool. This is where you press the buttons if you want to go up and down. So let's see. If I wanted a standing desk, then I could just lift the desk like this. But I rarely use it like this because I'm not at home all the time. But this is where I edit my YouTube videos and I play games. If you want a more specific tour of my desk, I have a video already with all the products that I have with the product links. So I have 3 monitors here. I have my mechanical keyboard and this really nice Super Mario gaming mouse pad here. And this is my computer. I'm proud of this computer because I built this from scratch. I also have a video of this if you want to see how I built this computer. So this is it. Okay, so as you can see, I like black and white in my setup. I just want it minimalist. I really don't like any other colors as long as it's black and white in here as much as possible. And on top of my setup are my 2 favorite superheroes. I have Superman and Wonder Woman here. I got this from, I think, Ross, and they are so cheap, and I think it's perfect for my gaming office setup. Okay, so on this side is just my office supplies, and as you can see, I have all white setup. These are just my files, my pens in here, and some other stuff that I use for office work and some editing stuff here. Okay, so on this side of my office is another desk. This is for like a visitor or a guest that I have. If they want to use their computer, they have a space here, so they can just put their laptops, and I have an extra keyboard if they want, and I have a microphone and a lamp in here. Okay, so on this side is like a seating corner. This is actually like a reading nook because I have my books here and my comic books in here on the shelf, and I have a collection of old comic books. They are really vintage. Some are from the original Stan Lee comic books from the 60s, so I have them on display on this side. I think they're really cool. And so if you want to read comic books, you can grab comic books in here and just read it in this chair. It's really comfortable. I also like collecting some toys here. So as you can see, I have Legos here, and this is my favorite actually. Saitama from One Punch Man is one of my favorite Lego toys in here. And some of the Funko Pops that I have. I am not a huge collector, but if I do like one, I would buy it. Like these Chun-Li and Spider-Gwen are some of the cosplays that I did. That's why I got them. So they're very special. And look at this. This is actually from a 2D restaurant that I went to, and this is one of their packaging. It's really cool because it looks like a comic book, and I just kept it and put it in here in my gaming room because it looks really cool as a display. I also like watching animes, and one of my favorite recently is Demon Slayer, and I have this poster. It's really cool. Okay, so on this side I have my stuffed toys here. I love buying stuffed toys, and some of them are Nala from The Lion King. I have Baby Yoda. I'm not a Star Wars fan, but I really find him so adorable. This is from BT21. This is Jimmy. Super Mario right there. I have a hot dog soft toy here. So I just have them on display. It's really cute. Okay, so by the window I have my growing collection of toys in here. I love collecting toys that I love from the anime that I watch and the movie that I watch. So in here is the Infinity Gauntlet. We all know what this is, and this is actually a mug, so it's pretty cool. Look at that. Like it actually fits my hand because I have an Infinity Gauntlet here. What's in here? And on this side, I have Nezuko and Tanjiro and Yuji from Jujutsu Kaisen. I have some Marvel stuff here, and this is actually really cool because this is from Among Us, but look at what it does. So you can open it up like this, and look at that, there's the bone. That's when the imposter kills the crew, one of the crews. It's really fun, and you can actually switch what's on their head. Like, look at that, it's pretty cool. Okay, so I wanted to share with you some of my framed artworks here because I think they're really cool. So this is a Spider-Man. I think this style is a comic book cover, and this is some kind of a 3D style in here, as you can see up close. It's pretty cool. I just can't hang it because I'm in a rental right now, but when I probably buy a home, I could finally hang this. And this is another one that I found in the store. I really love this one. This is kind of holographic or 3D style. So this is the Avengers, and yeah, it looks different wherever angle you look from. I also like buying video game merch, and this is one of them. This is the first game that I played on my computer here that I built. So this is from Bendy and the Ink Machine. This is really cute, and I used to love this game a lot. So I love Spider-Man, and I have Ghost Spider here also. And I really have a lot of Spider-Man comic books here. I also have this Spider-Girl comic books here. This is thicker. And I used to read a lot of Betty and Veronica when I was a kid. So here's one. I really enjoyed reading this. Okay, so that's it for my home gaming office tour. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave it in the comment section down below. And I hope you enjoyed watching, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much.